Paano Cook Pork Nilaga. So here are the steps. Let's get started! Step 1. Turn on the fire on medium heat, then add the pork cubes. Step 2. After adding the pork cubes, slowly add the water until it covers the whole pork. Step 3. Next, add the sliced onion. Step 4. Add peppercorn and salt. Step 5. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, depends on your taste. Step 6. Cover and boil it for about 10 minutes. Step 7. Add the potatoes and cover it, then simmer it for 7 minutes. Step 8. You can now add the cabbage. Step 9. Then add the pechay. And last step, you can now serve it like this and it's ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you!